So this week's word of the week for week number 17 is calories. Now calories benefit the body by releasing energy to the body through the food you eat. More calories, in a sense, equal more energy. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 17 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, vertical jumps. Number 2, reverse lunges. Number 3, ab crossovers. And number 4, quick feet. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 17. Number 1, we got vertical jumps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna crouch down, and then we're just gonna jump up as high as we can. And we're gonna do this as many times as we can in 30 seconds. So vertical jumps is number 1. Number 2, we got reverse lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my right foot back. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna go down and up, down and up. I'm gonna do this 5 times on my right side. Switch it over, do 5 times on my left, down and up, down and up. So that's reverse lunges. Number 3, we got ab crossover. So I'm gonna go and place my right hand out, my right leg is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try to get my left elbow to touch my right knee. And I'm gonna cross over, I'm gonna do this 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna switch. Opposite side, left hand is out, right elbow touches your left knee. Okay, we're gonna go 5 on each side, switch it up. Last one, we're gonna go quick feet, so we're just gonna chop in place, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. You wanna try to keep your heel off the ground as much as possible, on your toes, quick feet, okay? So get ready to go. That is Fast 5 workout number 17. We'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Drop down and up as high as you can. Oh, I'm not jumping as high as the ceiling. Let's go. Vertical jumps. Get low and jump. Explode. Use your legs to propel you up. Let's go. Vertical jumps. You're doing great. Keep up the good. Rewind. Keep up the great work. Let's go. All right, let's go. Reverse lunges. Right leg back and down, up. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times and then switch. Woo. 4, 5. I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Now I have 16 live Fast 5 workouts. This is number 17, my friends. Woo. Oh, they're burning. My quads and hamstrings are burning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do those ab crossovers on your backs. We'll start with our left hand out, left leg up, right hand behind your head. You're gonna cross over starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly on your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Quick chops. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Stay on your toes the whole time, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Move, move, move. Woo. I know, I'm getting tired. If you're getting tired, it's okay. We're in this together, my friends, just finish. And time, 1 minute rest. Woo. Holy guacamole. Woo. Definitely one of the more challenging fast 5 workouts I've done. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start back up the top. We got vertical jumps, reverse lunges, ab crossovers, as well as quick feet. We're halfway done, my friends. Just finish. Remember the motto, just finish. Whatever you guys do in life, just finish. You start a project, you start a class, you start music, some type of instrument, just finish. Keep working hard at it. The longer you do it, the more time you put in, more time and effort you put into something, the better it's gonna make yourself, and the more you're gonna grow. Right, got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, vertical jumps. I want you to really explode this round. Nice job, keep it up, let's go. Ooh, explode. All right, let's go, reverse lunges. Leg back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Woo! Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Just finish, my friends. Oh, I feel it. But I'm working hard. Get this together, my friends. All right, we got those ab crossovers. Let's go. 2 more. You can do it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Try to get your elbow to touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1. All right, on the feet, let's go, let's go. Quick feet, quick feet. Quick feet. No, heels in the floor, let's go. Let's go. Cha, 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 cha. Quick feet. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just finished. 1. And time. Nice job, my friends. You did an amazing job putting this workout. Give yourself a high five. All right, tap yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 17. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought was the most challenging exercise and why. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's do-it-yourself game is Mario Kart. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. In this fun do-it-yourself game, you're only gonna need a few items. If you have a paper plate, ball, and some DVDs, books, or anything that you have available to use as your markers. So stay tuned, and I'll demonstrate this activity in just a moment. So in this game, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my paper plate, and I have a ping pong ball right here at my starting line. I marked my starting line off with a piece of tape. But what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to use this paper plate to fan the ball around all of the DVDs, around all the markers and barriers, and get it back to the starting point. Every time I complete one lap, I get 1 point for myself. My goal is to see how many laps I can get in 1 minute. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, here we go. So I have my starting marker here. Again, I'm gonna have to navigate this ball by fanning it with my plate all the way around and come back to my starting point. Every time I do that, I get 1 point for each lap, okay? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. As a reminder, you cannot touch it with the plate. So you gotta figure out the best strategy to get the ball going. All right, getting close to my first lap. There we go, got 1 lap. Laps. Oh, 2 laps. And time's up. I got 2 laps on that 1 minute try. 2 points. All right, Jordan's up in 3, 2, 1, go. Get a little power boost. He's going one-handed, he's going two-handed. Just trying to figure out the best way to get it across. Coming up on a full lap. And we already got 1 point, just across the line. Ooh, that's really nice. Be back to play. Go. Points. And time. All right, here we go. Round number 2, I have more obstacles. I have some barriers now here, and then I have a crossway one over here. Starting on this side. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bounce, come back in. 1. 2. 3. 4. And that is time. I got 4 laps completed. 3, 2, 1, go. Good strategy, switching hands. Oh, nice. 1. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Mario Kart. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know, what would you guys think about the activity, what items you used, and what would you like to see on the channel. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.